everybody! Today we'll discuss Microsoft system called powerautomate and discover how your business can benefit from this solution. Before we jump in and look at powerautomate, it's important to set the stage for why automation matters now. We know that businesses face pressure from every angle to become more productive and efficient, but we know that our time and resources are finite. The best companies are powered by strategic, creative people. The best companies have a sense of vision that pulses through every part of the business. But the pressures of the modern business world mean that your smart, creative people spend a good deal of their days answering emails and sifting through documents. When we look at some of the common workplace challenges, there are more remote workers than before, which can create lower visibility and multiply systems. So when we look at automation, there are opportunities to optimize with the digital workforce, completing mundane tasks faster with proven value and ultimately freeing up time for more strategic and innovative work. Microsoft's vision for the Power Platform started from the recognition that data is increasingly flowing from everything, and I believe that companies that harness their data to gain insights and drive intelligent business processes will outperform those that don't. This is made possible by digitally connecting every asset of your business, enabling you to optimize operations, empower employees, engage customers, and transform products. So, how do you do this? There needs to be a simple way to automate across your business and empower all your employees to automate their tasks and simplify how they work. So why should you use Microsoft Power Automate? Microsoft Power Platform includes Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. Individually valuable, but of course they're better together. Every application complements each other, which makes this is a perfect match for your business. We also recognize there aren't enough programmers, data scientists, and tech professionals to go around. So Microsoft's goal was to build a platform targeting these technology experts and the millions of other frontline workers who never been empowered to do anything about it. It all starts by providing experiences that people want to use. As people use those experiences, they produce valuable data. That data includes the content they create and the signals they produce when creating it. Microsoft 365 takes the data and turns it into a graph, mapping the relationships between people and information in the company. It then reasons over that mapping to produce valuable and unique insights. Then it uses those insights to further enhance the experiences. This virtuous cycle is self-reinforcing, and as it plays out, it has two really important effects. The experiences start to get incredibly good, and the graph starts to get very, very rich. We call this the digital feedback loop. When you connect your business with a digital feedback loop, you gain access to a holistic view of data and insights, which enables you to develop a deep understanding of your customers, equips your employees to deliver more effective and personalized products and service, and optimizes your operations. Power Automate is an accelerator for your business. With this solution, you can accelerate productivity and focus on more strategic work, efficiently bridge modern and legacy systems across your organization, increase efficiency through automated workflows with the power of artificial intelligence, and more securely integrate automation at every level. What makes Power Automate so powerful is that it is designed for all users. Microsoft Power Automate is a single modern platform created for experts and end users alike. Whereas most automation platforms are geared only toward the technicians, Power Automate puts the power in the hands of those who do the work. PowerAutomate is built with several attributes that enable anyone to begin automating tasks in a matter of minutes. The system built with triggers, actions, and conditional logic. It was designed for ease of use, and with this goal in mind, Microsoft built PowerAutomate with capabilities such as ability to share documents, seamless integration across Microsoft Cloud ecosystem, connectivity to hundreds of applications, a built-in data platform, intelligence, and so on. So let's get started on looking at the basics of PowerAutomate. Additionally, PowerAutomate brings together cloud-first automation with the several core capabilities into one intelligent automation platform, and therefore no single type of automation is considered an island, which includes the first type of automation, that robotic process automation or RPA. It is made to automate activities on your desktop with desktop flows. With artificial intelligence or AI driving, you can leverage capabilities like forms processing or intelligent document processing in AI Builder. Digital Process Automation (DPA) helps you automate across native and third-party apps with built-in connectivity to over 400 connectors through cloud flows in PowerAutomate. With Business Process Management, you can automate guided multi-step processes using business process flows that connect to other systems using DPA or RPA. And most recently, Microsoft introduced a preview of the new process mining capability called Process Advisor, which helps you analyze and understand how people in your company are spending time on manual tasks every day to better understand where automation could help. Building modern business solutions requires functional flexibility, leveraging native integrations to your IT ecosystem. It should be super easy to build an app from an Excel spreadsheet, a SharePoint list, or automate tasks when an email arrives. Well, the same simplicity must be true when you want to connect to your clients in CRM or products in your ERP. What about connecting to your MDM running an SQL or a one-click export to your data lake? These are all made possible with Microsoft native integration to Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, and Azure. Now, let's say a client sends you a very important request for proposal. You want all the documents to be extracted from your inbox and stored in your collaborative cloud storage. Then, a new opportunity must be added to your CRM. You must bring all internal stakeholders in a Teams channel. Your task force start building the response with data flowing from your catalog. Your finance department approve the rebate when you have reached this step of the process. And once you won the deal, you want your warehouse staff to prepare and ship the products and your accounts payable clerks to process all the invoices from the suppliers that provided additional parts. Well, these are all tasks you can automate with PowerAutomate without writing a single line of code. RPA in PowerAutomate further empowers the company to break down barriers to automate legacy software for technical and non-technical users with an easy-to-use platform to mimic the repetitive tasks you might be doing every day on your desktop. It's helping to automate these repetitive tasks so that you can have a faster output, reduce overall errors, and free up time for more high-value work. So, what can you do with RPA? Build with ease. Easy to get started for coders and non-coders alike with a simple step recorders and an intuitive drag-and-drop designer. Reduce bottlenecks. Save time troubleshooting with simple tools to run, test, and debug your automations in one place and identify errors before they happen. Automate at scale. Focus on work that matters with more flexibility to run your automations in either attended or unattended mode. And you can automate any desktop-based tasks with access to 400 plus actions and flexible authoring. Artificial intelligent automation helps to increase organizational-wide efficiency. Features like AI Builder and Power Virtual Agents allow users to create intelligent automated workflows powered with AI. Automate with AI Builder that customize to your needs. Invoke an AI model with specific workflows, data, and AI Builder. Embed AI into processes without the help of a data scientist, and build robust dynamic automations. API-based automation empowers citizen developers to build powerful automations. You can easily streamline and optimize your systems across people, processes, and technology. Let's talk about digital process automation capabilities of powerautomate. You can connect to over 370 API using hundreds of triggers to automate thousands of actions. We know that enterprise companies want to move faster with less resources, but what does the market tell us about the landscape for automation? Automation delivers a company-wide impact. With automation, you can streamline everyday business processes, securely scale and maintain governance of data, and bridge gaps between modern and legacy apps, as well as on-premises and cloud software. IT ticket queues and one-off requests are unscalable barriers to the evolving role of IT. We must empower business users to design their own automated workflows on an integrated platform while maintaining security and compliance. Some of the ways that powerautomate helps them to do this is through security and compliance, identity management, enterprise-grade governance, and cloud on-premises. So how to get started with powerautomate? Before we jump in and look how to get started with powerautomate, let's discuss how it benefits your business industry. Financial services. Through data management, you can update loan data in a database application, collect all loan payment information, consolidate transactions in ERP, and more. In client management, you can, for example, activate customer bank accounts, conduct credit checks, or investigate fraudulent transactions. In healthcare, powerautomate, for example, can help you collect patient data from medical records and transcribe into relevant check-in documents. In manufacturing, you can automate notifications for shipping status and inform data-driven production line staffing decisions based on current and future product demand and digitize quality control approval processes. For retail, powerautomate can calculate future demand for specific retail products, send real-time updates to customers about promotions, or in-store events and track inventory price changes. And now let's talk about Microsoft ecosystem. Better together. Powerautomate combined with Microsoft cloud-based applications offers a fully integrated automation platform across Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365, Azure, and Microsoft Power Platform. All these apps and services are natively integrated with powerautomate, so IT decision makers have the needed controls to ensure data security and app management. So here are just a few of the things you can do to get started with powerautomate today. Build automated workflows using pre-built templates and tailored automations. Scale to automate across your favorite apps and services. Integrate with Azure, Microsoft 365, and Dynamics 365. And access and integrate data across on-premises software and cloud services. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And we are always ready to provide you with a free consultation.